Hi everyone, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you my daily everyday makeup routine that I usually do for YouTube or for posting on Instagram and stuff, casual. I've changed my daily makeup routine a few times a year, I know that, but it really depends on, what products I'm using, how much time do I have, what new skills that I have learned. So this one is the absolute current makeup routine that I'm using, and I have washed my face now with a face wash and it's absolutely nothing on it. Before putting on makeup, you gotta take care of your skin first, make a nice skincare layer and then put on makeup. I start with a Vitamin C serum. As you guys know, I am in Mumbai right now, and last month I visited the beach quite a few times and I got a little bit tan because I get tan very easily. And also sometimes when you are stressed out and totally out of your mind, your skin doesn't cooperate with you. It kind of shows in your skin if you're not, at peace. So it actively shows on your skin and your skin starts looking dull and there is no glow on your skin or whatever. As much as I know that fixing your insides, your brain is gonna improve your skin, but you also need something from the outside. You need a glow boost kind of thing for your skin. As I saw myself, I was like, I need to quickly get it together because this is not gonna work. Hello. I started using Plum's new 15% Vitamin C Serum. It's specifically beneficial for dull skin, pigmentation and sun damage, and it gives your skin a glow boost. It contains 15% ethyl ascorbic acid, that is a stable and quick absorbing vitamin C derivative to give your skin radiant and healthier appearance. It also has Japanese Mandarin, which boosts the performance of vitamin C and collagen production. And lastly, it has Kakadu plum, which is the richest source of vitamin C and also rich in folic acid and carotenoids. This serum is actually so light in texture and it has absolutely no fragrance. Like, it's just like water. My skin really feels, instantly plumpy. To be honest, I didn't bring all of my skincare from Jammu, so this has been really helpful these days and my skin is returning back to its glowy self. Plum Vitamin C Serum contains no artificial colors, fragrance or essential oils, and the brand is 100% vegan, paraben free and cruelty free as always. I also found out that vitamin C serums are kind of ineffective in sunlight, so this one comes in this beautiful amber bottle which is very dark color, so it stays protected from sunlight always. And I've said that multiple times before that including a vitamin C serum in your skincare routine is super important. It really helps with your pigmentation and making your skin even toned and controlling the sun damage that we face almost every day. I would really recommend you guys to try this out. Here is my discount code for getting a 10% discount on this newly launched Plum Vitamin C Serum from Plum's website. And guess what? You not only get 10% discount using my code, but their Goodness Land rewards will give you exclusive discounts, rewards, cashbacks and early access to newly launched products and a chance to become a pro Plumster only on plumgoodness.com. Even if you are putting on makeup, layering your skincare is very important. After the serum, I'm going to use a moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I use. I didn't bring a lot of my skincare here, so I kind of changed my skincare routine a little and I really like this moisturizer. And last step in my skincare routine, do not forget to use a sunscreen. It's a very lightweight sunscreen and yes, I use it under my makeup, especially because I do not use a foundation, so it's cool. Okay, my skin is ready for attack. I'm gonna start directly with a concealer. I really enjoy those makeup routines which do not use a foundation because I think when your skin texture is showing, that looks really, natural. I've also seen girls who have a little bit of acne. They look really beautiful. I don't know if it's insensitive to say, but just the whole look looks very natural and pretty. I don't know how to describe it. So yes, that is my thing. Not using a foundation ever. I do need to use a concealer though. I really like this brush from PAC. The number is 219. It's really good for concealer and blends it so well in your skin. Now to make sure it doesn't cake up, I will use this translucent powder a little. I am still not sure how all of this really works, but gotta do what you gotta do. So I guess we have to leave it at that for a while. Till then I'll do my eyebrows. My eyebrow routine is genuinely so weird. I'm gonna use a eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this dark black shade for that, and just fill around the corners. And I will take a spoolie and legit use a soap. Yes, I carry this around with me everywhere. I couldn't find the actual thing online, and since I'm not allowed in malls yet, so I have to do this. Not that great, but kind of works. Honestly, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This is the look that I like, unkempt and bushy brows. Is that an excuse for my terrible eyebrow job? That's a secret I'll never tell. XOXO Gossip Girl. I honestly don't know if it's time to brush this out or not, but I'm gonna do it now. I'm starting with a neutral color. It's appalling how many times I have done my makeup and how many times I still try to learn and I still haven't. Now I feel I will never learn it. Like, I just keep on doing whatever. I think the problem with me is that I don't have patience to sit and learn makeup, because I do learn a lot of things, but makeup is not one of those. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm using this corally shade now. On the other hand, I like to watch makeup tutorials so much. I would just sit and watch and never learn a single thing, because makeup tutorials are so therapeutic. I don't know, something about them, just girls transforming from A to B is so satisfactory to watch. I'll take like a shimmery shade and just rub it in the inner corner. I use the same black eyeshadow and a little small brush to make a light eyeliner. This makeup look is absolutely no technique, no tutorial, just vibes. As long as it's working, I guess. I'm taking this darkest shade, which is still very light, to draw underlines in my eyes, under my eyes, and just smudge it with a finger. It's eyelash time, guys. I don't know honestly how many times you have to do this. I do this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Using this mascara from Blur. I've talked about it in my previous video as well. One thing about this is that it doesn't dry too quickly. Like, mascaras usually dry in 2 seconds, but this takes like 30 seconds. I take a blush, this beautiful coral pink blush. Blush are pink, obviously. You have to take a little of this because it applies like too much. I love blushes. It's one of my favorite things to do. See with blushes how glowy your skin suddenly starts looking. So my last part is doing my lips. I will use this Innisfree lip tapping concealer, just a teeny tiny bit. Kind kind of gives your lipstick a boost of color. You can use a normal concealer as well. I'm just being fancy. And here's the lip shade that I'll be using today. Yes, I smudge my lipstick with my finger. I think it gives a very smudgy look. I love that blurry effect at the ends of your lip line, so that's why I use my fingers to do that. And now highlighter. This is my permanent highlighter that I've used for so long. I think it's time to change it because it might be expired. I don't know. I've been using it forever. So please suggest me some new good crazy highlighters in the comment section. That's how I will know who are the real ones who watched this video nicely. Okay, and we are done.
Baby, you're a vow that I'll never understand. Chasing all your mysteries like a Scooby-Dooby van.
So that was a very necessary montage of me showing off my beauty, whatever. Yes guys, this is it. This is my low effort, no foundation, everyday makeup look. This is pretty much what I do every time, and if I have to, you know, really step it up, I change my eye makeup, maybe put on a liner or something, but everything else remains the same. And that's it for today. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel if you feel like, and you can check more of my videos, and if you like them, then definitely subscribe to my channel because I post almost weekly. Thanks once again for watching this video with me. I will see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.